Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stating what you offer and who benefits. That's the hook partners scan first. Gather concrete metrics and examples so you can prove value immediately. Once done, create a one-paragraph summary, a clear audience snapshot, and list of core services. Make sure to include price ranges and typical timelines so conversations start practical. Then export high-quality assets and a clean contact section. These first steps get you into discussion. You now assemble the meat of the kit: audience data, portfolio, and offerings. Each must answer why a partner should choose you. Explain how you measure success, show before and after metrics, and highlight one repeatable campaign. Once the core pages are drafted, design for skimming: headers, bold numbers, charts, and short captions. Make sure to add a pricing framework with optional add-ons, and end each page with a direct call to action so partners know the next step. You finish by polishing layout, compressing images, and testing links, then export both PDF and a lightweight web version. Once ready, tailor a one-line pitch for each recipient and attach the kit with a clear next step. Make sure tracking is live so you see opens and clicks. If outreach stalls, change subject lines, shorten attachments, and follow up after 4 or 5 days. One troubleshooting tip: if engagement remains low, swap the lead metric or case study to better match that partner's priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.